Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing this microphone Furry windscreen muff. This is a Neewer NW-MIC-121. It was $10.99, so this is not an expensive one. This windscreen actually has a liner inside, and for some reason is not opening, so let me cut this. Has a liner inside, and having never used a windscreen before, I am not sure how relevant that is. Alright, so coming straight out of the package, looks like a stuffed raccoon tail, basically, or feels like one. Doesn't look like one, of course, because it's not striped. But yeah, there is a liner inside. There's a little bit of a elastic right there, and then there is a liner inside, and then you've got the fluffy stuff on the outside. So sorry about the audio quality on this video today, guys, but the reason why is because my microphone is actually not hooked up to the camera, because we're going to try plugging it on this and seeing how it fits. Now this is a TAKSTAR SGC 598. It's a cheap $25 microphone that has been working awesome for $25, and so I just wanted to test this and see how it worked. Now I am leaving the black cover on. I was told that if you leave the black cover on, the audio gets a little muffled, but hey, we got to test it. Alright, leaving the black cover on, this thing fits like a glove. Goes on perfect, looks kind of big and fluffy. I am hoping that this is going to block a bunch of wind noise. Get a little focus on there for you, which is really the purpose of this $11 item. Taking the black thing off, it is way too big and it does not fit. It slides all over the place. So somebody said that if you fold it in over the top of itself or fold it back over the top of itself like this, that it would hold a little better. We're going to shove that right on in there, and sure enough it does. Does not come off even when shaking. And there's plenty of room on the end still as well. So we're going to test this out a couple of times, both with this the black cover on and then also without. Check back later for a detailed write-up on it. I don't know necessarily that I'll have a video on it because it is going to be a bunch of different tests of me counting to 5 basically, and then I don't feel like putting all those videos together. So anyways, if you got any questions, comments, make sure to ask. I'll get to them as soon as I can. I might throw up 1 or 2 of the test videos just separate as opposed to bundling them all together. Till next time, thanks guys.